Hello, dolls. Welcome to P.D.B. TV. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about my fashion sense and how it started. Right now I'm having one of my weekend sales of vintage and just P.D.B. picked out clothing from all eras, including now. I see something I like and I snatch it just for you. So anyway, I invite girls here for the weekend. They make appointments and come check out the clothes. And I'm just going to share with you a little bit of these clothes. But first I want to tell you that my mom used to take me to Salvation Army to get my school clothes. And I always looked better than most of the kids there because I didn't have the same clothes from May Company and, the Broadway and all the stores where the girls got their clothes. But I got to have more clothes that way too because we could afford for me to have, a different dress every day for a while. So I really got used to shopping in thrift stores, which I've done my whole life. And antique malls and vintage shops. So I collect clothes. And I wear them. I wear a lot of them, but I have too many to wear them all, and they're all different sizes. So it's like art to me, these beautiful clothes. So first, I'm going to share this little piece here. This is from Olga, and it says right inside her, which is so great, the first lady of under fashion. It's for stockings, Inside are the little garter belts, and it's in just perfect condition. How could I leave this behind? I found this in Albuquerque, and it's one of my new favorite places to shop. I'm going to be teaching there soon, March 7th and 8th. So if you want to sign up, please do. But anyway, you'll find me in the thrift stores during the day. This is also something I got in Albuquerque. It is a Grecian goddess, nightie, which of course I would have worn in the GTOs out dancing, with nothing under it, of course. And I recommend that you do that because nothing's wrong with it. But it is such a beautiful unworn piece. This one is a mod coat from the 70s by Lassie. Isn't it stunning? And it's in perfect condition. I try to get the clothes mainly in perfect shape so that you can wear them for a long time. This is a real beauty, a 40s from the 1940s, very hard to find. Like a cocktail dress, metal zipper, in amazing condition. You know what happens to me when I get to these thrift stores and see something like this sleeve peeking out? I about lose my mind. I look around to make sure no one else is going to get it. And I just snag it, and I'm so happy. It's like seeing the Beatles or something. Not quite. But look, this one is Rose Creation. Here's another real early 60s piece. It's a gown in perfect condition with little butterfly sleeves. And like I said, when I see this stuff, it's like a miracle. It's like something happens inside me it's very hard to explain. Metal zipper, perfect. This I just found the other day. Man, I saw this shade of green peeking out. This is silk. Like 1962 or 3, another little cocktail dress. The thing is, you guys, the waists are pretty small in these things. I don't know if I ever could have worn this, but if you're tiny, message me. This is a romper, 60s romper, just adorable. Someone tried it on for me yesterday and it sure looked cute. And this piece here, I have on my website already. It's a 60s trippy hippie backless, wild colored, this old jersey they used to have only in the 60s and early 70s. So this is just a few of my items. And fashion to me is, it's showing off who you are inside. It reflects your true self, the way you dress yourself. It's just, it exudes who you really are. So I suggest that you really doll yourself up in this world and make your statement of who you are with your clothes, man. And your jewelry, and, headpieces, whatever you want to wear. And, this is my advice to you today.